elongated. There we go.
Oh, elongated growth, yeah.
Morning, folks. Another potato reveal for dinner. Again, Pentland Javelin, 1 potato, 23rd of March 21. Turn it right way round for you, else you people have to stand on their head. Oops, cut that off. Put it in. Do you reckon we'll get the same out this one as we did the last one?
Don't know, we'll have to wait and see. It's a guessing game, isn't it? Okay, so just come round.
No, we won't. Of course, last time we was getting to a potato now.
Something there so far.
Nothing at all. Yeah, what does it have
It's
for my
oval
supper?
as well. He's
No.
in oval shape, isn't it? The other one was oval, the bucket was oval, wasn't it? So he said, and when we got the oval bucket, we always assumed we were going to do what?
No, they are jacket potatoes.
Yes, I would say so.
Yeah,
Size of them, they're supposed to be our new potatoes.
they're supposed to be new potatoes.
Well, I like this particular variety, because you get 2 different types and these small ones.
There you go. I think that'll be it on this one. Oh, now you've got your dinner there.
Oh, I've got a touchy one there. Oh, there's some more. You can see another one peeping out, unless it's the seed potato.
No, it's
See,
not.
there's something in there, look.
Oh, yeah. No, it's not like that other one, is it?
No, you got some extras, didn't you?
What have we got?
Still, it's a good amount there.
Is there enough there for dinner?
Yeah, I would think so. We're not going to have jacket spuds, so it'll... Yeah, I'm going to have salad as well, yeah. Bits.
I'll weigh that. And then that will be it. 3 potatoes. That's a tog.
That was you son. You've just been farting. This is all on camera, folks. He always blames it on the dog now and just copped him, because the dog is there.
Buddy out there.
Right, so it can't be him. And the little one is too busy. He wouldn't even make that
Trying
sound.
to eat me onions. Buddy, out.
Right, do you want me to stop this now so that
No,
you can
let me
weigh it?
just set the...
So I need to crack on with me
Yeah,
domestic
yeah.
jobs.
Yeah. Turn it on. There we go.
You can't see it. You've got it against the light.
Which way? Where
turn
would
it
you
round.
like it? Which way? That way? That do you? There you go.
There you go, 0.
Right, that one will be about 6 ounce. Oh, 10 ounce. I might get a pound. Oh, dead on a pound.
Oh, wait a minute then.
Buddy, out there.
Dead on a pound. That's tofu. Are you
1
putting that
pound,
titchy
1
one
ounce.
in? Are you leaving it?
Yeah.
Leaving that little
go
titchy
on
one.
then.
You never know, it might be half sick.
No, it didn't make any
Didn't make
difference.
any-
Look at him.
What's he doing? Yeah, he's taking... He didn't bury one of his chews in there, did he?
No idea
I know
where.
he dug them out. Let's have a look. Let's see what he's dug to. You
You can smell.
can smell the manure, maybe. Put
Somewhere.
manure in this. Robert,
Yeah.
you got manure in these pots.
Bit of fish blood and bone. But
There might be a
that'll
bit of
all
that, you never
finished
know.
now.
It's dug a hole here, though. Look.
Yeah.
What were you growing in that one?
Nothing, luckily.
And we were all right with carrots.
Carrots is trod on.
And he's dug a...
He's dug out half of the spring
Yeah, because you can
onions.
see it's coming. It's come out. Look at Arthur. And he's, I don't know if he's nipped them
I
off.
might have missed, or they're just.
Well, they're just coming through, yeah,
just
tiny
there,
little,
or-
just
yeah.
a bit late growing, so
Yeah.
we ain't done too bad.
No.
Big boy's down at the bottom now.
What are you, bugger?
Yeah, always having a
you
tinkle.
doing?
You don't want to see that, folks, do you? Never mind.
What are you doing?
It's our little baby. We try not to give too much fuss to one and not the other, so
You buggering,
creates a
don't
bit
you?
of a bond.
Buddy boy. What are you doing, little boy blue?
Are you finished now then? Can
yeah.
I go in?
Right, yeah, I'll put
Right
on
then. Are
tidy
you
up.
doing another one at all?
Unless you want me to.
I just wonder what we'll have for dinner tomorrow. Yeah, do another one,
Right,
please.
just pause it then while
Yeah, do another one and I can do some...
Buddy! Come on, let me brush. It's not a toy. Look, I'll sweep you up and on into here, and you can go in the bin as well. Come on.
What's happening here?
I'll give
Only
you.
we're not in to dry the pots while you got yourself your next...
Come on. Right, you can have it.
Let him have the brush. Mum,
He's gonna have the brush.
let's do these potatoes. Poor Bailey's in the living room, look, wondering what's going on. Yes, that's because you're 10 years, which is 70. You're a 70-year-old man. You can't do what's going on. Right then. Has he gone round there with a brush?
I don't know where he
What are you doing with that brush? You left it there. Devil. Monkey. Right then. That's that lot.
is. That's that lot.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Right, this is.
Same again?
No, this is
Oh.
Pentland Javelin by 2 potatoes.
Oh, right. It's the same thing.
It's the same one, but there's 2 in here.
So that's Pentland Javelin. Was it the same date, Robert?
Just if you turn it over,
I
you're right.
can't because I drop the
Yeah.
phone when I do it. Can't.
There you go, 23rd of March, yeah.
23rd of March. That's it. Lovely. Just snipping on them.
You can tell there's 2 seed potatoes in here. Of course, oh, one right on the top.
Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, it's peeking through. Something else peeking on the top? Oh, it's a little one. Oh,
It's got about 4 babbies with it.
see, supermarkets won't sell things like that, will they? To me, they're edible.
Of course you are.
Just because it's got different bulbs on it and God knows what else. So this is 2 potatoes.
This is 2 potatoes, yeah. Normally with 2 potatoes,
Some of these have got green on them, though.
yeah, because they've been at the top.
Yeah, they should be all right though. If I just chop that off, if we're worried about it.
It's only small, just big.
Yeah, but I'm making a dish that I'm going to chop it all up and kind of roast them as well. So I'll chop the green off. I'm a bit worried. Calm down now, look.
Yeah.
Just like butter won't melt
This
in
is
his mouth,
ever.
is it?
And this is an 18-litre bag.
Oh, right, okay.
And it is ever.
Yeah.
Not little ones.
There's something just there, look. That's it, just there. That's the one I saw. All right, Bailey.
It's not a bad one, it's scabby.
It's amazing. You know those that look scabby? When I scrape them,
Oh,
they're
wow.
absolutely fine, yeah. And then when you're cutting them off, they've got nothing inside them that is, you know, like the wirewormy ones that we had off the allotment ones. They were horrible, weren't they?
Well, that's why I grow them in bags and pots now. Cause you used to have to
Because
throw.
the allotment's been so used by everybody in Godzilla, you just don't know what's in the soil.
What are you?
Little beastie walking along there. Oh, little beastie. One of them. What is he's right. Okay. What's that? Is that the seed potato there?
Yeah, that's a seed potato.
Big one though, isn't it? It's bigger than the other ones. That looks slightly bigger than the others. Maybe that's... Yeah, you just need to get a bit... Do you want me to stop it here while you just sort this soil
while I
out?
sort this bit out a bit.
Right, so you've got most of the soil down.
Move some of the soil.
Yeah, you've already got some in there. You've got the seed potatoes. Did you throw that away?
Yeah, there was 2 of them, yeah. So
2 seeds. Is that the second? You've got another one then somewhere?
No, there's only... I threw 2 away.
Oh, you've thrown 2 away. Right,
Yeah.
okay.
And there was 2.
So these are on the same... This is the same one as a minute ago then, yeah?
Yeah, I'll tell you what.
This is one with 2 seed potatoes. But one of those seed potatoes was quite large. Was the second one largish as well? About the same size?
About the same size. Wiggly worm.
No, we don't want a wiggly worm. Want that in the
Look at
garden.
that. Let me throw this away. And I would say...
It gets everywhere, don't it?
You cheeky little...
And I've got this one here trying to go to sleep. Keeps me disturbed. He like this morning nap.
Let's have a... Oh, there's another one.
There's another 2 there. Just seen another one, the same size.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah, that is. They're the ones you have to get out. Else you're forever growing potatoes. Someone was saying that what they do with the little ones like that,
Yeah.
wash them and put them in a stew, like
Yeah,
you.
yeah. It thicken it. It doesn't immediately. It does sort of disintegrate, but it does thicken it. It's, you know, it's got starch and sugars
Right.
and water and potatoes. So.
Let's turn this on then.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Okay, let me just go
We're
around
at
here.
0.
It's just at 8. Oh, there it's at 0 now. It's all at 8.
Right.
So that's your first lot then for one seed
Yeah.
potato. See, I did again. It's ridiculous, that one now. The one you left out.
Right, there's
£3.
a pound.
So that's 1 seed potato. This is a 2. 2 seed potatoes, and we'll see how much we're going to get. Are you going to get them all in a dish?
I
Or
will
are you going to
do.
empty them?
Built like a castle. There's all
It's
the
gone back under there again, look.
Yeah,
I think it's its little doghouse.
I should be there then, shouldn't I?
Oh, yeah. Permanently in the doghouse, yeah.
I know. You should get £2 over. There's £2. £2.6. £2.11. It might even make £3. £2.15 ounce. Last one.
All right, okay.
£3 1 ounce.
And that is from...
2 potatoes. Yeah, that's the best I've ever done for 2 potatoes.
Right. But
That's it.
what did you get for one? The large was £2 yesterday, was it?
Yeah,
One,
yesterday,
one
the day
seed.
before, Saturday, whenever. 1 seed, we got £2 2 ounce, which
Yeah.
was basically a kilo.
Yeah. So for 1, you got £2 2 ounce.
Yeah.
For 2, you got £3.13.
Yeah,
so,
which is only £1.5 per
yeah. So
potato.
really, this isn't good for 2, is it?
No, considering, but it's better than that one,
Well, yeah.
which was £1
Yeah, that was £1 something.
Yeah.
So the best one so far that you've had is 1 seed potato
for 2 kilos.
for 2 kilo, just over
Yeah. Yeah.
£2, not 2
Yeah.
kilos.
Well, 1 kilo, £2.2.
yeah,
Yeah.
not 2 kilos. That's wrong. So it's £2.2. Let's just talk
Yeah.
in English.
Yeah.
then.
Right.
Otherwise, you're saying 2 kilos and it's £4.
Yeah. All
so
right then. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
So.
I have to get him right, folks. Get him
Yeah.
in a muddle.
Right.
He's
I think
90
that'll
really.
do for now. So I need to go and get my brush back.
Yeah, oh my God. I think he's going to let you pick it up because he's standing near the line post looking. As soon as you pick it up, let's see what he does. He's
Last
there.
time I started to use
He's
it,
there.
actually started-
Here we go. I think it's a noise. It's shushing noise on the brush.
Look, I'm sweeping up.
I dread it when I get the Hoover out.
Shall we go walkies? Go on then, buddy.
Oh, bless you.
Right, I think
He's doing a purring
yeah, I think
growl.
they've seen enough of me trying to sweep up where dog and a brush. Right, folks, I'll catch you later.
Let me just come back here.
Come on, bully. Come on.
Taking walkies. Walkies.
Come on.
Okay,
Come on.
folks. Bye. Bye.
Oi.
Bye.
Well, welcome back, folks. As you can see, I'm no longer in my garden. Did potato reveal. I eventually got the brush back from Buddy. Less a few of the bristles in it, but he's a little bugger, he is. But never mind. Hope it didn't spoil it too much for you. Right, so I'm going to download this one. I should have been going to the allotment, but it's 5:10 at night. I've still got loads to do work-wise, so I'll go down in the day tomorrow and get it done now. And then hopefully I should have a day on down there. Right, well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have enjoyed, liked it, enjoyed it, please leave me a comment. Because I love reading them. Some of them make me smile, especially the last couple of videos with Buddy in. And apart from that, all I can say is thank you very kindly. And if you've not subscribed, it would be nice if you did subscribe. Keeping up with us. So that will be it then for now. And I've just heard a patter of tiny feet. Oh, here's my little boy Blue Bailey. He's come up to see me. Getting near his tea time. And the baby babes. Right then, folks, I'll download this and we'll see what we can do later on. Right, cheers now. Bye.